HEYGEN versus CREATIFY, which is better? In the evolving realm of AI-driven video creation, two platforms have emerged as frontrunners, HEYGEN and CREATIFY. Let's dive into their features, strengths, and ideal use cases to determine which might be the best fit for your needs. Uh, if you want to use AI avatars and personalization, basically, HeyGen specializes in generating lifelike AI avatars, offering diverse range of customizable presenters with support of over 40 languages and advanced text-to-speech capabilities. HeyGen is tailored for business aiming to create personalized content for a global audience. As for Creatify boasts an impressive library of 500 AI avatars with features allowing users to design their own or incorporate existing ones. This extensive selection is particularly advantageous for marketers seeking to produce varied and engaging ad content. Okay. As for targeting audience and use cases, HeyGen is ideal for business focusing on internal communications, training models, and multilingual presentations. As for Creatify, tailored for performance marketers and advertisers. Okay, if you want the features, HeyGen realistic AI avatars with customizable features, supports over 40 languages, and user-friendly interface suitable for quick video generation. As for Creatify, advanced AI trained on high-performing ad creatives, batch creation for generating multiple ad variations, competitor analysis tools to track and analyze rival video ads. As for pricing, HeyGen offers freemium model with plans starting at $24 per month. As for Creatify, it provides a free plan with premium subscription beginning at 39 bucks per month. Okay, the higher pricing reflects its specialized tools designed for performance marketing and advanced ad creation capabilities. Okay, as for feedback and support, HeyGen users can command its intuitive interface with robust customer support, highlighting quick response times and helpful resources. As for Creatify, praise for its advanced features tailored to marketers, though some users note a learning curve due to its comprehensive tool set. Okay, so choose HeyGen if you're seeking a platform that excels in creating personalized multilingual videos with lifelike avatars, and opt for Clarify if your primary goal is to develop high converting video ads, leveraging advanced AI trained successful campaigns and benefit from tools designed for performance marketing. Ultimately, the decision hinges on your specific objectives, whether you prioritize versatile business communication or targeted advertising excellence. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next time.